This video chart presentation of Atlas Therapeutics brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Atlas trades on the Bulletin Board Exchange and its ticker ATTH. We scaled this into a 6-month chart. That's about the time frame that Atlas has been trading. You can see it's been on a slide, slipped through a support level there at 20 cents a couple days ago. Promptly pulled right back up to close at that same level. We're going to be keeping an eye on this as a bottom play. One thing to note is that the stock was trading a little bit more regularly at these levels. Now that it's slid off, volume has really dried up. That could be giving hints that the bottom is in. So we'll certainly be keeping our eye on volume now. Look for it to push through that 20-cent level, reestablish that as support, and then try and continue some upward movement. A couple things to note through here. See that RSI doesn't really like dipping into oversold territory. Only one time here briefly did that happen. So once again, we'll be looking for that level to hold. With these lower volume plays, momentum can come in very quickly. You can see right through here, just the slightest amount of buying pressure. The stock price doubled, 20 cents up to 40 cents. RSI showed some momentum come into the play. You want to see that break of 50 and the hold above 50 from this point forward. Taking a look at the MACD, you can see a difficult time pushing through zero. That's why it's referenced as the money line. So we'll be looking for a bullish cross to come into play here, another potential push. But once again, you can see right near a bottom point where it's bounced off of several times in the past. And even more so over the last couple months, be looking for is an uptrend to become established. You want to see that trend back towards zero. And as I just mentioned, that break of zero is a very bullish indication. What I would look for in the candles is a bottom support right there at 16 cents to hold. And I'd look for a push through 20 cents and allow that to be established as a new support level. If it can make a push back up through that, that should hold pretty firmly. And the first real area of resistance doesn't come into play until up here around 27 cents. More than a 30% upside till it runs into any resistance. And then beyond there, I don't see much more until it gets up near 37. There's some static resistance in the way there. This blue line, the 50-day moving average, that's registering about a 36.5. And that's where I'd expect the next real resistance level to come into effect. But again, from where it is at this point, very substantial upside. If those sort of things happen, volume starts coming in, it's really defining this as an overall shift in trend. You'd look for some of those resistance levels to become support, and watch this try and trend back off the bottom. All in all, though, the Atlas Therapeutics chart has a very nice look to it for a bottom play. Technical traders will have their eyes peeled for a bounce, then a retrace, hold a new higher low, and the uptrend to try and continue. It's shown historically it can make very large moves on low volume, so keep your eye on the volume, look for pressure to come into the play, and we'll see where it goes from here. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the ATTH chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.